I am now We'll begin with this Skycam capture from the Las Vegas Observatory on Mount Potosi, which shows a definitive dust trail from the Planet X system at the upper northeast location at 2050 UTC on June 25th. This one taken from the Tulum Skies Observatory on June 25th is very revealing in that if you look at the upper northeast location, you will actually see the winged globe Nibiru appearing along with one or possibly two other planetary bodies located just below it. As you scroll down and look at the projected view, you will notice the objects appearing at the upper right of the image. Here is another capture which appears to be showing an object of great importance. This is from the Moonglow Observatory in Warrensburg, Missouri, taken on June 25th at 2051 UTC. This appears to be showing two objects of interest within the Planet X system. At the northwest location, just above the Sun, you can see the second Sun, which could be the binary star in our solar system. But if you look off to the northeast, you will see a rather large object, bluish in color, appearing from behind the clouds, which tends to resemble a planet or celestial body. You will also see the blue object appear in the horizontal frames showing on this site. This capture from the Brixes Observatory in Belgium is not only showing two sunsets, but also showing the second sun casting its shadow towards the northeast, a most revealing second sun capture. This is another second sun capture from Secret Harbor, Australia, showing the object off to the left of the sun. Here is an obvious capture of the double sunrise from Deakin, Australia on June 25th. As you can see in the horizontal frame, there are actually two suns rising in the east with another bright object seen above the tree line. If you look at the overhead view, you will actually see this bright object come into plain view towards the northwest. A very disconcerting capture. This capture from Cumberland Head Observatory in New York is showing a series of objects, one very large bright object and three smaller objects trailing, possibly the Nibiru complex. This, by the way, was captured during sunset on June 25th. The Sonhur Observatory in Brazil is capturing a double sunset on June 25th. These double sunsets and sunrises are becoming much more prevalent and noticeable now than they were just a year ago. This Skycam capture from Conly, France is also showing two sunsets as seen in the horizontal frame on this site. Here is the capture taken on June 27th from the Moonglow Observatory, showing the mysterious blue planet-like object off to the far left of the sun, as well as objects of interest near the sun and what looks to be the string of pearls. This one from the Lila Chrisman Observatory in Illinois on June 27th, much like the webcam capture from Alaska, is showing the winged globe Nibiru. If you look closely, you will see it appear. This capture from Cade's Observatory in Australia appears to be showing a double sunrise on June 27th. If you look off to the west, you will see another bright object rise with the sun. This is a very good capture from Dog's Heaven Observatory in Brazil, showing two suns setting. We are getting more of these type of captures recently. Here is another capture from the Las Vegas Observatory on June 27th, showing the tremendous fan-shaped dust trail of Nibiru. Off to the far left, you can see the blue-green planet-like object similar to the one we saw in the Moonglow Observatory on June 25th. This is a very interesting capture from Craigie in Western Australia on June 27th, showing two very definitive suns over the eastern horizon. This capture, taken today, June 28th, from Gorge Creek Orchards, Queensland, Australia, is showing two suns rising. A very clear and concise capture of this phenomena that we are now witnessing. In this capture, you can see the second sun rising from the Savannah Skies, Australia. Although we are beginning to see the Planet X complex in the northern hemisphere as it rises to the ecliptic, it is still more pronounced and more noticeable in the southern hemisphere since it is moving up from below planet Earth. And finally, this Skycam capture from Jamesville, New York, is also showing the bluish-green object to the far left of the sun today. I'm going to finish this presentation by showing you a series of short webcam videos that are capturing the Planet X system. All of them are quite remarkable. But as always, you can be the judge of what is real.